Support move came to small businesses that were damaged due to coronavirus from Instagram. The Instagram Small Support feature includes sharing orders, donations and gift cards for businesses that have been harmed during combating the coronavirus, and aims to provide support to businesses, albeit small. The Small Support section added to the Stories section of Instagram aims to support businesses that are damaged due to the coronavirus outbreak. Instagram COO Justin Osofsky said, "Small businesses are the backbone of local communities and restaurants are the soul of the neighborhoods. They bring people together and form a community. We want to do our part to help them stay open and keep in touch with customers." Made the explanation. How to use Instagram Small Support? With the Small Support sticker on Instagram, you can tag the Instagram address of the small business you want. Instagram, which shows tagged shares at the forefront, aims to see the shares that support damaged businesses to be seen by more people.